In my video tutorial, I will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Genesis. This ransomware is from the Medusa Locker family. In my video, I will show you how exactly this ransomware works and what it does with the files. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, you will find out how damaging the ransomware is. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your data without any troubles, as you can clearly see, without any complications, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And this ransomware appends this Genesis15 extension to the file names. I assume that this extension may be slightly different. The figure in the end may be different. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note entitled as How to Back Files. The ransom note is presented in HTML file. You should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your money. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer. So, Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. You can upgrade to premium, and speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.